ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Math 20-3, Chapter 2, Section 4, Circle Graphs. So we just did all these calculations, first finding the percentage and then turning the percentage into degrees. Okay? Now, we have all these degrees we have to turn into a circle graph. So, now construct your circle graph by dividing the graph into the sections with a protractor. Sections with a protractor. Then label the chart with the categories and the percentages. So, when we do this, now I apologize, I've got to flip backwards and forwards between the 2 pages because I cannot remember these numbers. I'm getting old. So, the first one was cars alone, 135 degrees. So remember that. Cars, 135 degrees. So, do this with a protractor. Sorry, trying to do this with a protractor. That doesn't let me because there is a way to do it. Alright, be like that. I apologize. If you're in class, by now I've handed out the plastic protractors. Here we go. Of course, it won't let me do it. Touchscreen. So I just said 135 degrees. No. We start here, 0. Now notice there's on the protractor, we start from this end, it goes 0, 180, 10, 70. Think about it for a sec. The outer numbers start if we go over here, 0. I'm looking 0 on the inner numbers, so 135 is here. Oh, that's 130, my apologies. There's 135. Now how do I do this? That's a good question. I'm going to go some lines. I'm going to put a line from the middle here, and a line here. So this is buses. Sorry, that is car only, 135 degrees. So let me get this protractor out of the way. So this is car only. Car only 135. Okay. Now, label with the percentages. I'm sorry. 37.5%. Gotta remember to include my percentages. I keep forgetting to do that. So, car only is 137.5. Now the next one we said was carpool, 36 degrees. So observe how I do this. Start somewhere. Now you have the fancy protractor. You have the protractors, so you can do this. No, stop that. Here we go. Move to 0. And I just said for carpool is 36 degrees. So 36, if I start here, 10, 20, 30, 35, and see the little ticks on the outside, that's 36 is right there. So I put a line there, and that is carpool. Of course, it's so much easier, carpool 36, it's so much easier with pencil and paper. Yeah. For you guys. So this is carpool. .36 degrees, 10%. Okay. Label with the percentages. Now, I want you guys to do this as I'm mumbling and saying bad things about the computer and do it myself. Race you. So the next one is going to be, well, I did motorbike, 9%. So 9 degrees, 2.5%. So 9 degrees, let's see if I can get a shot. If we start there, 9 degrees, 10 would be right there. Okay, so you see how this goes? Let's go here. Double checking because I'm getting old. 2.5%. Okay. See how this goes? Now, I need you guys to do this with pencil and paper. And I want you to spend about as much time as I am on it. Not incredibly neat, but make an honest effort, please. Now, after the motorbike, I said bus 135 degrees. So 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. There we go, 135 is right there. Plus 135. 37.5%. All right. Plus. Notice we're using percent here in degrees. Most people instinctively know, are instinctively better with degrees, sorry, with percentages than degrees. That's just the way life is. So, after bus, bicycle, 18 degrees. So over here we will take this, say here, 18 degrees is 10, 20, there we go. Got any way to get rid of that? There we go. Also, that wasn't good. 18 degrees is right there. So move the protractor out of the way. Bicycle. And what percentage was that again? 5%. Now, that leaves us walking 27 degrees. Please tell me that's about 27 degrees. Now, as you figured out a long time ago, I try not to be that exact. Life is too short. Woohoo! 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 I mean, goodly. That does look to be about 27%. Yes, what's left is 27 degrees. Yes. Now, honestly, I'm not going to be that upset about it. If you measured it, it came out to be like 30 to 30. It's close enough. Not really that mean. That's what I expect you to be able to do. Now, is it a lot of work? Yes. Are we going to practice doing it? Yes. Now, if I'm going too fast, pause the recording and watch again. Show you how I did that. Okay? So that's what I need you to be able to do. Lots of math, but it's not that bad. It's just 2 calculations, and this is grade 11. I expect you to be able to do 2 calculations in one class. Okay? Now, if you're having problems with that, pause the recording and watch it again. Oh, excuse me. My apologies. There's one, I want to move on and do one last question, then I'm going to leave you alone. So this graph shows people in Maxine's office building getting to work. 61% are car by themselves, 22% are bus, 9% are carpool, biking is 5%, and 3% is walking. If 177 people take the bus, how many people work in the office building? Okay, so that's kind of sneaky. All right, so this is total. Now, so we're asking what's the total? Well, here, note, we have percent in degrees and the percent formula. Category divided by whole times 100%. So percent category divided by whole. So, how many people take the bus? Well, the bus is the shaded, so the stripe, which is 22%. So 22%. How many people in the category? 77 over whole. So you have to solve this for the whole and the total. So 22% equals 77 divided by the whole times 100%. Well, we got to get whole all by itself. What do? Well, there's a couple ways to do this. My first thought, this is times 100%, so times 100%, divide both sides by 100%. Oh, you can do it. All right, don't do it. So it's 0.22. Actually, it should double check that. 22 on 22 divided by. Just like the regular calculator turns itself off, if it's set up for too long, it equals 77 over. And when we touch in math 10, we'll touch that sneaky trick, cross multiply. 4 equals 77 divided by 0.22. 77 divided by 0.22 is 350 people. So 350 people work in Maxine's office building. All right? Now, I'm going to stop there. And so that's it for circle graphs. I want you to go do the practice questions, these chapter questions, housework. There is an activity to go with this, and we'll work on that later. Any questions, shoot me an email. Otherwise, good luck.